Hello everyone, this is Sina, the General Manager from Dongguan Rainbow Touches Garments Corporation Limited. And today is a fantastic day. We will have a great meeting with our Philippines customers. You can see our team prepared this wonderful meeting agenda and nice food and water for our respected customers. And this is our company profile. We are director factory for more than 17 years about garments business, and we do export for 11 years. And at last, I want to introduce our gift for our customers. This is our gift bag, and inside you can see this is China Panda. We put our Rainbow Touches name on it. Also, this is poker. You can see each poker we have a nice design. Yeah, so you can see lots of design from it. And if you're interested in our products, please contact with us. Thank you.